How to fix Microsoft Store not working. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then on the search bar just search for Task Manager. Once you search for Task Manager, just click open. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. After that, you will see this one right here. So what we're going to do is to click on that and then click End Task. Once you click End Task right there, all you have to do is to restart your PC and then look if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Settings. And then click Open, which is right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the System and then just scroll down until you see this System Components. So click that. And then in this part, you will see this Microsoft Store. So just click on the three dots and then click Advanced Options. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to scroll down until you see this Reset section. So what we're going to do is to click on Repair, and then let's wait for it to finish. Once it is done, just click on Reset button right here, and then click Reset. After that, you can now try if Microsoft Store is now working. So let's go here and search for Microsoft Store, and then click Open. And then after that, you can see that we can now use Microsoft Store. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix Microsoft Store not opening.